Did you know about Severn Arts' music groups, bands and orchestras? We're really keen to have new members join us and play some amazing music together. Let me tell you all about the different opportunities here at Severn Arts. For beginners, we have Lift-Off. Our Lift-Off groups are fun, informal and free, providing an opportunity for school-aged children from beginners up to grade 1 level to come along and have a go at creating music. No musical experience is required to take part. We run our Lift-Off groups in Bromsgrove, Kidderminster, Malvern and here at Severn Arts in Worcester. We also have a brand new Lift-Off group in Evesham. Check out the Severn Arts website to find your nearest Lift-Off group. For those playing up to grade 3 level, we have our music centre groups. Aimed at competent beginners, our free music centre groups support individuals playing up to grade 3 level, age 7 and above. Like our Lift-Off groups, we run our music centre groups in Bromsgrove, Kidderminster, Malvern and here at Severn Arts in Worcester. Following on from our music centre groups, Worcestershire Intermediate Orchestra is a wonderful opportunity for young musicians to play in a larger group with a greater range of instruments and more performance opportunities. Young musicians playing at a grade 3 level and above can join our intermediate orchestra, no audition necessary. Come along for a free taster session and give it a go before signing up. Membership is £150 per year or £50 per term, payable at the start of each term or at the point of joining if that's later. Our youth bands and orchestras are for young musicians aged up to 25 years old playing at grade 5 level or above. Like our intermediate orchestra, no audition is required and we also offer a free taster session so you can give it a go before signing up. Membership is £150 per year or £50 per term, payable at the start of each term or at the point of joining if that's later. So don't miss out on the wonderful music opportunities here at Severn Arts. Connect with other young musicians and explore a wide range of music. Music is a shared experience and we hope that you'll come along and share it with us. If you'd like to book your free taster session or learn more about our bands and orchestras, email India, our projects and events coordinator, at i.george@severnarts.org.uk or visit the Severn Arts website at www.severnarts.org.uk for more information about rehearsal venues and schedules for each of our groups.